What's up, everybody? My name's Trey, and welcome to another video. And another video all centered around Facebook Marketplace and Facebook Shops drop shipping. As I know that's what you want to see. I mean, that's why you clicked on the video. You saw the thumbnail. I know what you're looking for. And that's the exact strategy that I would do if I had to completely restart on Facebook Marketplace and Facebook Shops. Because I think my answer is going to surprise a large majority of you. Obviously, I know we all got into dropshipping because we want to make an enormous amount of money. Like, I don't know about you, but the first time I saw dropshipping, I saw millions. Yes, millions. This is back when Shopify was a thing and people just showed revenue numbers and they didn't show profit, but don't worry about that. Millions of dollars every single month is what I was trying to accomplish when I started my dropshipping journey. Now, I'm still trying to accomplish that to this day, but I've changed the way that I think about dropshipping entirely. So make sure you watch this video to the end because I think my answer is going to be really surprising to most of you, but I think it will be a good shift if you're open-minded about dropshipping as a whole and how the business model works. So make sure you stay in. But also, if you don't know, I run a digital marketing agency that helps individuals, small businesses, and corporations generate passive income in real passive income. The type of passive income in which you don't have to lift a finger for. The type of passive income that can replace your job, can send your kids to college, or maybe it can retire your parents. I don't know. Use it for whatever you want. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you hit the pinned comment in the comment section down below, as we don't take on everybody, because unlike a lot of people on the internet would like you to believe, making legit, real, massive amounts of money on the internet isn't easy. It takes structure and employees and systems. So we don't work with everybody. So book a call, make sure you're a good fit to work with the agency, make sure the agency is a good fit to work with you, and hopefully we can help you make some money. Now, like I said, in this video, we'll be talking about how if I had to restart on Facebook Marketplace and Facebook Shops, what exactly I would do. Now, I would like to change your mindset just for 1 second. We're no longer thinking just about how much money we can possibly make through this one platform. I want you to instead think of how to build a long-term brand that will continuously make you money for the foreseeable future. This isn't just some, let's start drop shipping, make a ton of money, get out. Like, sure, you can definitely do that, don't get me wrong. But you want to make money forever on autopilot, month in, month out. Like, life-changing money. You're going to have to start thinking about this more than just drop shipping. You're going to have to think about this as a legit company with moving parts, customer satisfactions, social media pages. There's just a lot more that goes into this than just drop shipping and how to make more sales and get more views and things like that. So the first thing that I would change if I'm just starting out, brand new Facebook account, we'll talk about Marketplace specifically, and then we'll go to shops, because I also made another video about how you can set up your shop for success. Make sure you check that out. But brand new Facebook account, the first thing I would do is not get on and just try to make sales as quickly as humanly possible. The first thing I would do would be mature the account. Facebook is a social platform. It's a platform in which you engage with other people from all walks of life, from all around the world. It's not a platform in which you just make sales on. Now, Amazon, for instance, is completely different. That is a strictly e-commerce based platform. People don't go on there and post about their life. They don't add their friends. They're there to buy products and get off the platform. Facebook is a social platform, but a subset of Facebook is an e-commerce platform. So, number one thing you're going to do if you're starting a brand new Facebook account from absolute scratch, you're going to use it like a social platform. You're going to fill out the information. You're going to add bios. You're going to add descriptions about like your page. You're going to update like where you went to school at, where you live. You're going to put channel art. You're going to add people that you know. You're going to post. You're going to engage in different groups and communities in which you actually find interesting. Yes, I know I'm just telling you to use Facebook the way it's supposed to be used, but this is legitly what I do on brand new accounts that I start for clients, because not all the times do I want to use their main account. I want them to set up a secondary account so I can use that one while they still use their main account for whatever they want to do and like post on it and do that type of stuff. And maybe the secondary account is kind of more professional. You might use it in a way it's more geared towards sales, but you still have to use it as a social platform. So you're just going to use the platform. And if you've never, ever had a Facebook or even know what Facebook is, make an account and post things that you like pictures or memes or quotes. Jump in different groups, like if you like anime, or if you're a gym enthusiast, or if you're a person that does intermittent fasting, or if you're somebody that wants to learn how to make more money online. Join groups like that, because there are literally groups for anything, like literally anything on Facebook. And you just want to interact for at least, hear me out, at least a month to 3 months. And I know you're going to hate that. And you're going to be like, Trey, I came here to make money. I just want to make money. I don't want to have to build up an account. I know it sucks, but we're building a long-term business here. We're not just here to make a whole bunch of money and get off the platform. If you are, well, you would do this completely differently, but this is what I would highly recommend. Once you season the account, you mature it a little bit, you have some friends, you're posting every now and then on your account, or maybe you're posting all the time, however you want to run it, doesn't really matter. You fill out all the information when it comes to hobbies, interests, you're in different groups. Now you can start posting on the marketplace, in which you probably won't have the shipping option because you're still a relatively new account. But you want to get on there and see what other people are posting, especially if you're just a one person drop shipping business, as in like you're running this as a side hustle. You're just going to go on there and see what things are selling. What are people selling? What kind of review images or what kind of stock images are people using? How are they dressing up their titles? Are they using emojis? Are they using super long descriptions? Are they using features of the actual product in like bullet points or paragraph form? You're just going to do a little bit of research. And then you're simply going to post what you have at your house, like what you physically have. Like if I wanted to sell this book, which I highly recommend, I'm a huge Derrick Rose fan. So if anybody knows how to get in contact with Derrick Rose, I would greatly appreciate if he would get on my podcast. But besides the point, if I wanted to sell this book on Facebook Marketplace, I would simply take a picture of it and I would list it for sale on Facebook Marketplace. And I would do that for a number of different things that I have around my house that I'm either trying to get rid of or I'm just trying to sell to season my account. And eventually, Facebook is going to unlock your shipping. I also have another video on exactly the steps you can use to unlock the shipping. This is kind of just like a short form how to do it. So check out that video too. But you're simply going to post things that you have around your house. You're most likely going to do some local pickup or local delivery, just because Facebook doesn't give you the option to just, do shipping straight away. But after you do a few of those listings, you're engaging on not only the Facebook side, but also the marketplace side. Maybe you're messaging sellers like, hey, that's such a cool item. Like, is there any way you can do a bundle where I can buy 2 of them and save money on shipping? Even though you're not even going to buy it, you're just, messaging people. So sorry about all the people that I message on these new accounts and I seem like I'm really interested, but I'm not going to buy anything. You then can start drop shipping and you can run up a bag, but you want to make sure that you're maturing the accounts. Now, when it comes to Facebook shops, you're going to do exactly the same thing. You're going to use it as a social platform and take a little bit of time and actually think about the type of business and the type of image and the type of brand that you want to create for your Facebook shop. Like I said, we want to think about this in decades and not days. Yes, we all got into dropshipping because we saw people post amazing revenue numbers. But this is not a fly-by-night, just make some money and get out. We want this to really stay with you. Longevity. Build something that can be sold in the future for a lot. And I'm talking about like a lot of money. But it has to be set up correctly. So with Facebook shops, you're going to think about like a legit business that you want. If you're somebody that's really into sports, maybe it's sports equipment, maybe it's different workout equipment, maybe it's memorabilia, maybe it's reselling jerseys, maybe it's reselling sports cards. Like, you have to pick something you're actually interested in, and then you're going to build a business around it. Because like I said, Facebook is a social platform. They want you to use it. They want you to engage with other people that are on their platform. And when you do that, they're going to reward you with views on your products, with sales on your products, and it's going to help you be successful not only for the short term, but also for the long term, which is really what's important here, people. So, really short video. I hope it's to the point and I hope it's all digestible and easy to understand. But what you're going to do if you are starting completely from scratch, or this at least would, if I had to restart completely from scratch on Facebook Marketplace and Facebook Shops, I would do exactly this. I would mature the account first. I would make sure that I'm using it in a way that Facebook wants me to use it, in a way that engages with customers, in a way that lets Facebook know, hey, I am a real person. I'm not a bot. I'm not somebody just trying to make as many accounts or as many shops as humanly possible just to make money on your platform. Because, believe it or not, Facebook really doesn't like people that do that. It likes people that play by the rules of Facebook. They use the platform in which it was designed, and as a result, are basically to show gratitude. Facebook is going to flood you with organic views, organic sales, in which you don't have to spend your money running ads, like Shopify, for instance, which that's a completely different story. But yeah, just use the platform like it's intended to be used. So I hope this gave you some value. Like I said, it's not rocket science, people. A lot of people on the internet really make it seem like it's a way just purely to make money, which, yes, you can make a lot of money for it, but you want to set this up in a way that's going to really allow you to be successful for the long term and produce real, real income for the foreseeable future that you could possibly sell out one day, or that you can expand upon and build a brand on, in which you can move that brand from not only drop shipping, but then to wholesale, but then building content out for that brand on YouTube and TikTok and Instagram. I have later videos coming out, and I really hope that you stay tuned, because that's exactly what we're talking about on this channel. It's not just making money online. It's not just making money through e-commerce. It's building something that will set you up for the long term and make money in more than just one way. So I hope this was useful. Hope it was helpful. Hope this drives you in a lot of traffic, helps you get results. Sure, I understand this is a slower process than just getting on there, making as much money as humanly possible. But trust me, this is going to be the best way to set yourself up for the future. Now, if you don't know, my name's Trey. I basically help people make money online, diversify their income, and financial news that I think is pretty important for you to know. So if that's something that interests you, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. And I'll see you lovely people in another one. Peace.